Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make waffles not stick. Preheat your waffle iron completely and set it to medium-high heat so batter cooks evenly. Lightly oil the plates with a spray or melted butter and wipe excess with a paper towel. Use a consistent scoop size so waffles release at the same time. Let steam subside before opening the lid to prevent tearing and ensure a clean flip. In this video, I will explain how to make waffles not stick. Add a tablespoon or two of oil or melted butter into the batter to help release and crisp the edges. Avoid batter that is too thin because it can seep into nooks and cling to plates. Let the batter rest 5 to 10 minutes so flour fully hydrates and bubbles stabilize, which gives better texture and easier removal. In this video, I will review how to make waffles not stick. Quick recommendation. On another note, I love the book The Simple Path to Wealth for straightforward money sense that feels as reliable as a good waffle recipe. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful videos. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to make waffles not stick. Watch the steam rather than only the timer. When steam slows, the waffle is likely cooked through and ready to release. Open the iron gently and check if edges lift before attempting removal. If needed, slide a thin silicone spatula around the edge to encourage release without tearing, and serve immediately for best texture and crispness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.